Hello guys, and what's up? So let's proceed to our next subtopic, which is regarding the unit vector. So unit vector. So what is unit vector? So it is actually just one unit of a vector. Means, okay, let's see the example how. So if a vector say AB is equivalent to 3i plus 5j, and then the unit vector is given by vector AB head or roof, so this is indicating the unit vector is equivalent to vector AB roof divided by its magnitude, like that. Or sometimes you look at some book written as 1 over magnitude times with the vector AB. So if you realize here, unit vector is just one unit of a vector, meaning you divide the original vector over here. There is no roof, there's no roof over here, like that. Okay, you divide the magnitude of the vector AB with the original one, which is the vector AB. Okay, like this. So let me illustrate like this. So vector AB has the magnitude of 3 square plus 5 square. Set is equivalent to 9 plus 25. This is 34, right? 34. And set 34. And the unit vector is equivalent to set 34, which is AB, vector AB, like this. AB, vector AB divided by magnitude of AB. So AB is given by this, right? Which is 3i plus 5j divided by 34. So this is 3 over 34 I plus 5 over 34 j. So actually you can rationalize the fraction like this and have you can also have this as your final answer, but I want to rationalize it to be 3 sub 34 divided by 34. So basically you just times sub 34 up and bottom like that, plus 5 sub 34 divided by 34. So this is same thing, sub 34 times sub 34. So both, when you multiply the sub and the sub, you get 34, and like that. Okay, that's how we find the unit vector. So next example, and this one probably you will see the illustration. Okay, for example, we have a vector given by okay, maybe I think 3i plus 4j. Okay, and magnitude of vector A is 3 square plus 4 square, square root of it, which is 9 plus 16 is 25, so 25 is 5. So set 5. So the unit vector given by vector A roof is equivalent to vector A itself divided by its magnitude. So vector A is 3i plus 4j divided by its magnitude, which is 5. So we get what? We get 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j. So actually, you are wondering what does the unit vector tells us. Okay, so let me illustrate to you. If we have a vector A looks like this, okay, so this is 3, component X, component Y, 4. So it looks like this probably. Okay, looks like that in Cartesian plane. Okay, it looks like this, right? So this is vector A. So vector A roof, since this is 5 unit. Okay, so 1 unit of it, which is here, approximately there. So this is only 1 unit. This is 5 unit. So the whole thing is 5 unit. So this 1 unit, okay, let me do not confuse you with the arrow. Actually, I want to give you the insight. So this one unit is what we call as 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j. So this is this small little vector which represent 1 unit of vector A is just what we calculate just now, which is this, right? Now you understand. Okay, now you understand the concept. So this is what we call the unit vector of vector A to the direction of A, meaning this 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j is with the same direction of the vector A itself. Okay, if the direction of the unit vector is not the same as the original vector, then you just put the negative sign in front and it becomes negative 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j. Okay, so this looks like, the unit vector is pointing like that. Okay, this is the new one. So this is the second one. This is the first one, which is this previously we have discussed. Okay, so in vector, the sign is important and the direction matters. Okay. Okay, can we proceed to our next? I think let us go into the question. So, okay, question 1. Okay, question 1. Diagram 14 shows a triangle PQR with a PR to A. PR, P to R is like that, to A. And PQ, P to Q, meaning like that, is 6B. Find QR in terms of A and B. So where is QR? QR. Q meaning from Q to R like that. So QR. Actually, I want to share you a trick. So when the question asks us to find QR, meaning you provide your plus over there and like that. Okay, and vector QR is actually from QR is actually from QP to PR, right? Because if you want to travel from here to here, from Q to R, you need to travel first from Q to P, and then from P to R, P to R. And the trick is, you realize that P and P can cancel. So you can use this trick. So QR is equivalent to, okay, we know Q in front, so Q, put the Q, and the R at the last. So we need to find what is here so that we can cancel them off, like for example P, right? So that's two-way or a trick to, when you need to easily find the vector QR or other vectors, you can say like that. So QP, we have the information of PQ but not QP, but the direction matters. So QP is actually opposite to the PQ, so you just put the negative sign, but the magnitude is still 6b plus PR. PR, we know PR is 2a, and this is our answer. Or else you can put the positive in front and the negative back at the back of the positive, or actually both are correct answer. So this is for the question A. Question B, given PQ, okay, let me erase the labeling. Okay, given PQ, okay, dia bilang apa? Where is the PQ is 3 times QS. PQ 3 times QS, so PQ, this PQ is 3 times QS. SQ, sorry, SQ. Okay, so means this is 1, this must be 2, because 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 times. Okay, we have label, and QT is equivalent to QR. QT, where is QT? QT is Q and T is equivalent to TR. So we can use this symbol and find ST in terms of A and B. ST is right over here. Can you see my labeling? Okay, nice. ST is like that, okay? So we need to find ST, right? ST is equivalent to, we put S in front plus T at the last, okay? So what we put here so that it cancels. So we can see Q over here, the only one related to S and T. So you just put Q, and they will cancel. You get ST, right? They will cancel like SQ plus QT. Cancel and get ST, right? You can see that? Okay, that's our trick. So Q, you need to, how to find the Q over here is just, you just look at the in the diagram, what is the relation between S and T. S and T, we have Q, so put Q over there, right? So that's how. Okay, let me mana dia punya pointer. Okay, like that. ST equals to SQ. So we know PQ just now is 6b. So PQ, let me write, PQ is equivalent to 6b. How about SQ? So this is ratio 3. And how to find for the ratio 1? For the ratio 1, you divide by 3 simply. So this is 2b. Okay, so we put it here, SQ equal to 2b, 2 vector b, like that. And how about QT? So we know just now we have find QR, which is this. Let me copy it. Okay, and put it over here. QR is 2a minus 6b, and since QT is equivalent to TR, meaning T is the midpoint, so in order to find QT itself, you need to divide the whole QR with 2. So QT is 2a minus 6b. divided by 2, which is A minus 3B. So we get our information. QT is equivalent to this. Okay, so can I erase it? Okay, sure. So back to our original one, which is to find ST. So ST is equivalent to SQ, which is 2B, I written over here, plus QT, which is A minus 3B, and 2B minus 3B is minus B. So we put A in front first, minus B, like that. So actually it is easy if you understand the concept. And about the ratio, it is you just use your basic knowledge about the ratio, right? Because you know three part of the PQ gives you 6B. So when you want to find only one part of it, which is SQ, then you simply divide by 3, right? Because you want to find one part out of 3, right? Or in other words, you can use this method if you cannot understand. So given that PQ is 3SQ, okay, so now your task is to find SQ, right? So using algebra, divide both sides by 3, you get SQ is nothing but just PQ divided by 3, right? And you know what is PQ? Actually, this is the same concept what I have discussed tell you just now regarding the ratio technique, but this is the perspective in the in the algebraic perspective. It looks like this. So that's all, I think. And actually you can like solve this if you want to. The question 2 kind of easy, I think. So thank you.